Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, we're going to answer a question we get for pension owners. Can you cash in a pension annuity? And the answer is it depends on where you're at in this stage of owning a pension and if there is a certain benefit involved in that pension and in the employer. So there's two stages when you own a pension. There is the time prior to taking the monthly benefit, aka the pension annuity, and the time after you take the pension annuity, which is annuitization. Okay, so when you work and you're growing this pension plan and you decide to leave or retire, your employer might give you the opportunity to either take the monthly benefit, their pension annuity, or take a lump sum and roll it into an IRA, okay, or cash it in, which we don't recommend. Just rolling into an IRA is a better idea because you're going to get taxed heavily on it. And if your employer allows you to take a lump sum, you can roll that over and into an IRA, or you can cash it out, or you can roll into the IRA and then cash it out at some point in the future. It's really up to you. But prior to starting that monthly benefit, you shouldn't have an issue in most cases, not every case, but most cases, to be able to cash it out, whether you've left an employer or you've retired. Now, some employer pension plans say that, hey, you can't cash in the pension until a certain age. So it might say like 65, right? So the only person that can tell you that is your previous or current employer. So call them up and see what your options are there. Now, if you've chosen the monthly benefit and you're retired, in almost every case, the answer is no, you can't cash in that a pension annuity because they're using an annuity that requires annuitization, and annuitization is the conversion of a lump sum of money, aka the pension, into a irrevocable stream of income that pays you either for a fixed period of time or for the rest of your life. The irrevocable is the key word to focus on here. Irrevocable means once you start that income, there's no turning back, right? It is just a paycheck in retirement as if you were still working. And it doesn't matter if there's a health issue or your house burns down, you're just going to continue to get that paycheck and there's no option. Now, you could ask whoever is distributing that money through the pension. So whatever the pension annuity company is, you could call them and you can ask them if there's what's called a commutation benefit. Let me say that again, commutation benefit. Some annuitized contracts allow a one-time get out of jail free card where you can cash in the rest of the annuity and get your remaining money back. It's rare, so I don't want to set some expectation for false hope, but it's worth a phone call. So call your employer, ask them if there is a commutation benefit, and if so, that may be a way for you to get out of your contract. Hope that answered your question. If you have any specific questions about your pension plan, come to the Annuity Expert. We can stress test your income if you haven't started the monthly benefit yet, and try to get you the highest income possible and control over your money. And then call your employer if you've already taken the monthly benefit and see if there's a commutation benefit there. You can see us on your favorite search engine, Google, Yahoo, Bing, the Annuity Expert. And then you can use our calculators and see what annuities are paying these days, which are higher because we're in a higher interest rate environment. And then like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have a question. I'll answer it within a couple of days. So hope that answered your questions. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.